Hey everybody, Martika here, and I just had to take a moment to tell you about this store. So far, I have seen two of these stores recently come up in my area. So if you see one in your area, or if you know you have one and you have not been in, you are definitely going to want to go in after you see this video. And if you don't have one, or you find out that one is coming, definitely make it your business to get in there. I see Daiso as like a cross between Five Below and Dollar Tree. So you'll see exactly what I mean once we go inside. So let me show you what I found. So this is the crafting aisle, and everything I'm showing you is on one aisle. So if you are into beading and things like that, like jewelry making and just, really crafting in that way, they have like really a lot of the most used notions that you would need. I mean, they even, as you can see, have things for earrings. If you're going to make necklaces, if you're into resins, doing things like with molds and resin and things like that, as you can see, they have it. I also spotted like all these different types of glitter and these really, really cute appliques. And I just thought these were so cute, and they had a lot of them. So if you're into putting appliques like on jackets or shirts or even jeans, appliques on jeans is really coming back. I think it really looks cute on kids' jeans as well. But as you can see, there's a lot more jewelry there. Just a lot of different things that you can work with in that area. And like I said, all of the crafting supplies I did find on one aisle, and it is packed. I spotted this glue gun down below, and not only did they have the glue gun, but y'all, the glue sticks that went with it, normally we can just find clear, but they had black glue sticks as well. So I thought that was really interesting, and I think I'm gonna go back and just get those glue sticks because I have glue guns, of course, but yeah, I had never actually saw in person the black glue sticks, and they even have glow in the dark glue sticks. So I think that is definitely a plus. But let's get into the sewing notions, seriously, because this is what really blew my mind. All of the items that they had for sewing, and as you can see, it's a ton. And I'm sorry if my camera is moving too fast, but it was just so much to see, and I had to make sure that I turned it on to capture it. But there was elastic. I'm gonna try and take you through here, and there's different snaps as well. If you're doing like jackets and things, D-rings, but not buckles, but straps. This is the pricing. It's all in Japanese, so it tells you how to price it. If it does not have a price, the cost is $2.25. There's even a magnetic snap, that I like to put in purses. You have your lobster clasps and things like that. If you like making bags, I mean, you guys, look, just all types of things. Everything that we use, notions, needles, hand needles, sewing needles, thread. And I'm telling you, I was really, really blown away, because I'm so happy, because some of these things that I need, I don't have to get online to get it. I can come right here and get it for a little or nothing. They even had elastic sewing thread, y'all. Okay? Elastic sewing thread, bobbins, and magnetic holders for your pins, and little travel sewing kits and things like that. And that's not all. I mean, it just goes on and on and on. Little cute buttons, and those little bears are measuring tapes. I mean, how cute. Talk about putting together a gift packet. They had all types of different sizes of safety pins, and I thought that was nice. I had not seen those like pink and blue baby safety pins in years. Okay. So that one really took me back right there. But yeah, as you can see, there's just like a little bit of everything. And Some of these things I wasn't quite familiar with, but I'm going to get familiar with them. There's some grommets, if you need things like that. What I really liked were these covered button kits. If you want to do your buttons in the same fabric that you're sewing with. So they had these covered button kits in all different types of sizes. I mean, from large to small. And it was just absolutely amazing. Marking pens, as you can see, what do you call them, to put your the botkins to pull your elastic through the waist, all types of different needles and things. You had your seam rippers and just all types of stuff, y'all. And like I said, I'm just trying to really run through here and show you what I can remember what all of this stuff was. But this was another one that got me. Cording. Okay. I always had to order this online when I was making like some drawstring pants or a hoodie or something. You guys, I don't have to anymore. And they had all different types of colors. And then this right here, they even had like interfacing. It wasn't just a whole lot, but it was something. It was something. So, I mean, I have somewhere else I can go now. They had some rulers down here. And if I can remember, oh yeah, they had scissors as well. Just all different types, of scissors that you can use, in your sewing room or crafting or whatever. And then I moved on over, and if you like punching and stamping, they had all different types of punches where you can do different shapes and things. And then if you like to do stamping, if you do like scrapbooking and things like that, they had all types of stamps with different designs and things, as you can see. Of course, some more beads for different projects and things like that. And like I said, some of these things I was familiar with, some I was not. And I had my little grandson with me, so before he got restless, I was really trying to go through here and just see what all they had. If you liked embroidery, they had like the little things to hold the fabric in. I cannot remember the name of them right now, but you know what I'm talking about if you're familiar with embroidery and like cross stitching. And then they had like this felt that you could like crochet like little animals and things with, and it was like little kits. So they had like the different colors in the bag, and then instructions with it as well. If you like to crochet like I do, love to crochet, they had crochet hooks. Okay, the crochet hooks, they did not have a price. Most of the things that I just showed you did not really have a price, so that means that everything was $2.25. The only thing that I saw that had a price was the glue gun, and it was $7. Like I said, I have plenty of glue guns, but here's a lot of felt. Okay, if you work with a lot of felt on different projects, I mean, they had like these tall rolls of felt and yarn. I mean, seriously, y'all, there was so many colors, not just colors, but different types of yarn. Okay, yarns for different types of projects. And that's what I appreciated about it. I mean, look at all of this that they had. You just could not be a crafter and get bored in the store. They even had macrame yarn. Seriously, if you're getting into macrame, or if you macrame, they have your yarn here. So whatever it is that you want to like put your hands to do, or even try that's new, you can definitely do it here and save money. Save money. I just told you most of the stuff that I'm showing you is like $2.25 because it did not have a price. So that means it's $2.25. They even had like these little fabric cuts. These are all little fabric pieces. So if you do like little small projects, I mean, you have, some different types of fabrics that you can grab here. Of course, they had like different containers to hold your crafts in, but this is the aisle. This is the aisle with everything on it that I just showed you. I had to just show you that all of that was on one aisle, and the store itself stays so very neat. And that's what I appreciate about it as well. Things are so easy to find. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said before, if you do not have this store, definitely ask around, see if it's coming, or if you do, get in there. You will be so glad you did. So you guys, that's it for this. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have one in your area. Let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much and have a good day. Bye-bye.